Welcome to the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, where we stay on the road to keep you safe on the road. Towards the end of Outer Ring Road, as you approach the Thika Highway, is this bend towards the left. Before the end of the bend, a driver encounters this exposed guardrail whose potential danger for harm should not be underestimated. A head-on crash into this guardrail could prove fatal. Why? The edge of this metallic guardrail can shear into a car. This is what happened in the fatal accident involving the former governor of Nyeri County, Dr. Wahome Gakuru, when the Mercedes-Benz he was traveling in got pierced by a guardrail at Kabati on the Nairobi-Nyeri Highway back in November 2017. A slight mishap by a driver at this section of the road could result in a disastrous accident, which can be entirely avoided if there is no missing guardrail. The danger here is exacerbated by the fact that the road bends to the left, so it would only take a slight failure to turn the steering wheel adequately to crash into the guardrail. The bad situation is compounded at night when visibility is reduced. With drivers on the right lane passing the section leaving hardly a meter between their vehicles and the guardrails, and considering that the driver is usually on the right side of the car, it is not difficult to imagine the catastrophe that would occur if a car crashes into the guardrail. Driving through the section in the rain also raises the possibility of an accident. Watch as this driver encounters a stalled canter on the left side of the road, precisely at that section with the missing guardrail. The road is wet. If this Toyota Probox driver had mistakenly steered to the right as this driver was approaching, the evasive action will take him right into the exposed guardrail. Note how dark that section of the road is. Even though the project to light up Outer Ring Road by Williams Electro Services Limited under a contract by the Kenya Urban Roads Authority was meant to be completed by June last year, some sections of the road are still dark. The Passionate Roaditor, TPR, has alerted the Kenya Urban Roads Authority, KURA, of this danger. Hopefully, the due repairs will be taken before it claims lives on Outer Ring Road, arguably the most dangerous road in the country given the number of deaths reported annually on the 10-kilometer stretch. For more content of this type, do like and subscribe. And if you have any road safety concern you'd like addressed by TPR, send an email to thepassionateroaditor@gmail.com. More than 1,100 people have lost their lives in Kenya to road accidents in the first 3 months of 2024. Last year, 4,324 people lost their lives. Let's avoid losing a life needlessly at this section of Outer Ring Road. Over to you, KURA. Remember, just because a road is smooth doesn't mean it is safe.